So here is how you guys can enable stereo mode on Realme. So first go to setting, swipe down and go to accessibility, and then you want it to go to audio, then go to audio adjustment. And if you guys have mono audio enabled, this means it will just use the speaker to play same sound, but you guys will not get stereo. So all you need to do is you need to turn this off. Okay, now you guys have already successfully enabled the stereo mode. And if some case, if your audio balance is like this, or it's slightly over right, make sure that you put the center. All right, the dot should be on the center so that you get the perfect stereo audio. Now go ahead and play some music and you should definitely see some changes. I hope this video helps you out on enabling the stereo mode on your Realme. See you guys in the next one. Peace.